On this episode of Old Grump's Garage, we're going to replace the seam sealer in the gutters around the roof of a 1970 C20. It's still got the factory seam sealer, what's left of it. It's chipped up, peeling apart, and a rusted mess. So, got some white seam sealer, so we don't have to paint, because I like to do the least I have to do in a job. I'm going to get the old grind out all the old crap and then apply a nice bead of new seam sealer. So we've ground all the old out, got down to some shiny metal, washed all the dust off, cleaned it out, wiped it out, vacuumed it out with the Mouse Sucker 3000. By the way, you folks that make Mouse Sucker 3000 vacuums, why do you got to put a 3-foot cord on it? Why not 9 or 8 foot? Something that you can use without an extension cord. Just a thought from the old grunt. But yeah, we got it all ground out, vacuumed it out with the Mouse Sucker 3000, washed it all down to get all the dust off of it, wiped it down with a dry rag. We're going to let it sit for a little while, get good and dry, because we want it nice and dry before we start putting seam sealer in. So there she is, nice and applied all the way across. Hopefully that'll cut down on the minor leaks that we've seen. Hopefully that'll last as long as the factory did. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the little bell so you get a notification the next time we post a link. And we'll keep working on this old truck, and it's going to turn into something one of these days. Y'all have a great weekend.